So for me, the back of time, me really old man. Me say I sit down in a room and I never browse past somebody. Me don't know what I go on out there. So I didn't know what happen. So hey girl, if do love you and care about you so much, and you want to come compete with me now, what you try to prove and tell me? Say me no worthy and are you the man want? And the blood clot thing the man do me, him going to do you. So don't mind your dirty blood clot. But you remember somebody else done that. The video is a TikTok video. You put King Mixup. Go and King Mixup Queenie. So there's more something for me to say. None of the same thing me just say. The same video King Mixup post don't. Me no need to see it again. Unless it's something different. So hey girl, wanna come back again now with them. I mean you know I run on I got tired to see my blood clot face. Them I got tired to see my face. I do it not here on me. Why you still live this hours? King Mixup have more. Me never can find King Blood Clot mix up on me something yet. Me telling her, say me no browser and I think I lie. Me I telling her, K.I. King Mix Up Forever. Other one here, him? Him no have nothing on him page. And this a King Mix Up? No. So that's what do we gonna make them, it look like this this look like the touch or do you touch on my face? Get rid of it. After they make them just have your drag it for doing. Boy, man, tell you, man. King Mix Up. What is it going now? King Mix Up Black me. Oh. Click the page and his bio. It don't matter if she look nothing like me. As she run to so looks now have nothing to do with nothing. Remember man can't tame me no. I must him long time woman. Me telling us to do like dog bite. Me too prestige to do it. So I'm a run from me. Call of them blood clot gal when I talk, them terrible than me. Be a concubine do it like. Cause she's a concubine that. It's a concubine blood clot behind that so look. Show one piece of action our action for me. But I look for that. Girl, you're not in my blood clot class. Just your attack alone me no like. And there's something where you walk right by your wall. It's like my husband love you. Because when you love people, you're going to anything. She look nice, see? King Mix Up Forever. Let me try that. Oh, let me screenshot that girl. Let she go on. This nice. I like this outfit. Okay. I like chocolate skin. Alright, what's the now? King Mix Up Forever right name? Why? So I'm telling you, my old man on a think a joke. King. King Mix. You. King Mix Up Forever. What me that's for not now? Oh, click on him something here, so. But it's same thing me get. The same pages. Me not say a thing. Nothing other than so. King Mixup forever, that's it. King Mixup. What is them put up about me? 10 hours ago, working with Queenie, grandchildren said, do run away left. She doesn't have husband no more. So me not see the something. Me not see that. What? How are this as a breaking news? Jada Kingdom. So how me coming at this? Manja, who? What if I something this? So no man do this. I went this post. The 28th of January. Oh, the blood clots are going over, so check him buyer. 79 man buyer, I not see nothing. When I buy Dwey, alright. I want to see it though, but I not see nothing. King Mixup, King Mixup. A 3 King Mixup are 4. This a private. This account is private. That's the one that me and do it up, that's all. I have 13K. Then this one I depend on King Mixup forever. YouTube, King. King Mixup. Me can't find nothing, me can't bother. Who this? I'm not King Mixup this. Queenie grandkids.
Did you know Google makes a phone? Don't be fooled by the outside though.
Boom, buy that. Me not know. Me I must eat that.
Like take a stunning
King
photo
Mixup and a boom buy something come up.
pictures.
King Mixup, okay.
Well, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not from King Mixup, it's not creative like people.
One day ago.
But you don't know the things that people, not bless up on yourself on that weekend, yeah, but you know my things there. One bag of one and one I gotta give you this daily updates for the people you see and don't see.
Episode.
That's why it's extremely important to watch the end so you don't miss a thing. You feel me? And with that being said, let's get straight into it. Okay, people, Queenie. Why? Queenie Mate just went live and aired out too. Said that she eats him out and all of them that will know. He ate out her punani. Yes, people, I be and Yamins Dwey, I do over there and I'm not getting no weight. You see what I say? And this is all before Valentine's Day. You know what I mean? This is totally embarrassment for the royal couple. You know what I mean? Not to be together on this sound. holiday of love, you feel me? But enough of me talking. Let's listen to what the lady has to say, and then we'll proceed.
What she got live to?
So I do not talk. How much you suck my pussy? Why I'm not go on there, on YouTube and talk while him was sucking my pussy? All of the call him call me. A straight call from Jamaica, no man up on WhatsApp, and no one Queenie, no. I will meet all the time. So when I'm don't talk about the money and them something, they always send me to Bumbleclad, MoneyGram. When I'm don't talk about them, they when I'm don't talk and tell the whole world. Say me about my crutches, make my blood clot talk now because I'm go wild and I'm go on live and I chat and I post. I can delete all message when I'm not supposed to delete because I want to see that still. So when I'm don't talk, say my name crutches, boy, make me talk now. Cause I look like say everybody just done for me. Make him not talk. I'm ready to break up with everything. Make him not talk. Say me and pussy. In the Jamaica swipe. Make him not talk that. All the one Queenie we are come go on like she no better than me. Because Queenie are one of them all us that when Neil refuse. And that's why the boy is stray. On the door, but I make me have this car get nasty and naughty and blood clot rotty. You hear? When him use him friend to send the money to MoneyGram, when I'm done talk, me have all I receipt them as proof as witness. When I'm done talk, look here, do it, go look a life, go get a life of your own. Cause me no want you. You know nothing. You're rubbish. Me no want you. And because me done with you and because you start me, I'm not interested. And that's why. Bad me bad. And that's why, because me avoid you, so you go on live attack, because me avoid you.
Then go on live go talk about that.
Stop me. You stop me there and
Then do it go on live go talk about that. Then if do it suck your pussy and send money come give. Why you the on live talk about my husband? Me not understand. What?
morning, noon, and night, on my phone and start me, I try to drive me down. Warm to you. Talk the truth and talk where you go on because you're nasty. Talk the truth.
Mr.
Talk the truth, Dwey. You're nasty. And you love name pork. You're nasty. You love name the meat. You love it. You have to talk the truth and stop give the crowd them other things fear having a them nine and so talk man. Talk make your wife hear. Talk the truth. Talk out the secret because you know everything will go on with it.
I lie your blood clot. Tell me, I have to interview you tell me that. Move your blood clot. Then could I want some make two pussy crutches and get mouth and go in your pussy son and mind you. Are you still disgrace him? You're supposed to honor him. Lie your blood clot tell. So I could have what so do you do it one baby? Why you do it for the way I suck out your crutches and I want to suck out mine? Move your liar blood clot.
That dog. You talk up now, do it. Queenie, you can go on, no. Baby, come on against you, no, because all the way a woman, you know, but you go on because you're Ahmed. Only that alone, me have to say you're Ahmed and you are real Ahmed. Me a young girl, you know. Me a young girl, me not catch 40 yet. I mean, I make a boy come here and head me out.
Well, he's a yammed because you take my husband. So you know, make no sense. He's a yammed because him suck out your pussy. Mind you, and look what you do him. He's a blood clot yam head. No, no, he's...
Come waste my time and come waste my young days. I mean, my young time. I live my future. I want to go on, you know. Are you old already, you know? Go and go resign here. Go and go resign. Me know say all your people, they must be ashamed of you. So, you're man take it. You're man take it.
So you know me shot for? Girl, me never give you never come suck my pussy. You left me out of a races. Me that take care of your dirty blood clot. But you just saw me the girl answer. Me not gonna do no to you. So you want to do my to you. What you mean? Me tell you the say I go fuck you now. You not get no suck. Me not believe that.
You're man take it. You a man take it, Queenie. You're man take it. You're real. Do you just have your own a circle like a wheel, like a...
You're late, me know that. That's not relevant.
Chat to me. Do we can chat to me. Do your germ, do your shit. Because do we know him blood clot do and me have him secret, so that's why I see him come out pan, yeah? Him come out pan live, come talk. When him don't show any others a message them. When him delete the others a message them. The message them him delete, I now since them him a send me. Or you want to do with me and you want to do this. When don't tell him no. Why him never...
Do we not send you no blood clot nasty message? Do we send you a message and look here or whatever? Do we not send you no fuck pussy message? Move your liar blood clot. I don't can't frame my husband. All when I true, me not believe you. You have to have a suck pussy video and prove that. I come and assault that lie.
I never see about the message them. When I delete back the message them and then I come show the things like, yeah. No.
So why you, if him delete the message them, why you not show them like how you come on live? So the one them when him delete, you supposed to have them, darling. What a disgrace again.
Is wrong. Want me to no get way out of my life, you know, no come out of my blood clot life. Cause me no pet man, boy, girl, or blood clot, all lady, is she or who? No come off of me now. Want to get a life. You know, say you need a life. Want to Queenie, cause you're not much. Are your type. Amount of money where you send me. Amount of money where you send me. Make you not show all of your receipt, eh? Come off of my blood clot, no. No can go on, no.
Then, but you're ungrateful little girl.
I done with you. I done with blood clot, you know, do it. My good, stay the wife.
Boy, oh boy, where did Queenie go wrong putting out a comment section? You see, I said, because my girl is not holding back. And she also said, Queenie, I don't give a damn. Whole host when Neil refused, sorry, me can't go late.
I fuck King Mixup. The all look entertainment. Me is not a all host when Neil refuse. My ad plus blood clot tax. I fucking that to not talk. See, all of man look from me to she. And she have a baby in the background. She's so desperate. She show we the receipt. And where the receipt said, Dwey and Scarlett send her money? Where the receipt there? She say, man, we delete. So do we go for live about her too? How the rest clot are gone?
You. And I mean, I don't want your stalker. And she also provided MoneyGram receipts and said, this me do your husband money. Oh, who vex? Yo, Queenie, receipt like this. I guess Dwey send money to her. And I guess she sends it to other people, you feel me? And maybe our next month I find out something like that, isn't it? She also posted, I think Queenie is dreaming. Wake up, mama. And she said, pretty me with Dwey a stalk, even though him stalking my phone, you feel me? And you know she has been going off since yesterday. You know, exposing Dwey is not that guy to be a husband to Queenie, you see, man.
That's the next day did again, man. Man. Another day did. Anything else is still, man. You hear that? Do you have to do? Jump in here, bomb up that can't fall. I want if I see anything me, I do it right now. If I do it right, it's a steal me down. I'm not stop you. Listen, I don't fit you better. You have forgotten me, try to fit you better. Lip on the side. I want for this going to fuck me with you. Talk to me.
So, do we love you so much and send you so much money? And then I ask if you want to on the side and you want to go and fuck him. Duh. Him should even have to ask you that question, the girl. Make me your reason. I'm a smart woman. All right, my husband shameful and disgraceful. But why would he asking you that? If he must send you so much money and I suck your pussy. It don't adds up. If a man has suck my pussy and I send me so much money, gram, why would he need to ask me if I want to be on the side or me just want to go and fuck him?
You bet.
If you're between 40 and 65 years old,
hear them attack, none of that about receipts, and I'm not pay them no blood clot, man.
It's the cheapest time for you to get life insurance to protect your family.
As little as
£14 a month for £250,000
What's
to
the
£8
hell?
million
Moving a blood
in
clot and
cover.
nothing can people can't take me for internet. This fuck fake. She have to show proof. I may get more proof. You think this can turn me over? That does shit, baby. You think one girl can come tell me say my husband suck out her pussy and just a minor so and doing it their yard? Do the Jamaica Lego like one blood clot bust and doing a itch up with and do have to have beg you tell us our next day pass. That not make no blood clot sense. If him love you, I'm not supposed to live with you now, girl. If Dwey has fucked you so much on her mind, you why doing it with you?
Yep, Dewey is real busy, and you know they're gonna be in Cayman Islands, I think, in April or March. You know, a couple months away. You see me, I said. So I don't know if he's gonna head back to England, or just kick it in Jamaica in the meantime. You feel me? I'm not sure if he got fired or he quit his job just to become an artist. You see me? But I'm going to start giving an update while going from that to go on. Listen, man, I said, my people, yeah, let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, it look like said Jay, the Kingdom, Skilly Bang, Chassis, just to name a few. You know, someone that produced their music is in serious trouble. As you know, a Jamaican national was extradited from Panama to America to face lottery scamming charges that stems way back to 2013.
But you the girl so aggressive. I want to beat me. I mean, I know about that.
Back again with these quick updates because trust.
And that done me. So you never know my husband, baby.
Everybody just done for me. Make him not talk. I'm ready for break up with everything. Make him not talk. Say me I'm pussy. In the Jamaica swipe. Make him
not blood clot. Tell the way you do move on the dirty blood clot. The way you do fool. The way you don't even know if it's a pussy. Move your dirty blood clot. Go ahead. You can't trick me. I have to catch doing that pussy there in our video. Like how your video my dancer. You know should
have better than me. Because Queenie are one of them all us that when Neil refuse.
Girl, me better than you, my queen. Girl, me better than you. Don't do it. My room look nicer than you. Your room. It's for your room that do your dancing. Do is a disgrace. If your name pussy, yes, I hope your name the girl put up a shoot the blood clot and shaval one video. But me not believe. Me not believe. Line of blood clot tell for my husband. When me married to blood clot, do you know, and I love. So the eat now and over.
You hear? When him use him friend to send the money to MoneyGram, when him don't talk.
Which friend do we reach to send go MoneyGram? Girl, I lie your talk, girl. Unless a Jamaican MoneyGram, you must send it to Jamaica, none of foreign. Do you have no blood clot friends to send no money my drive? If you want to send money, him got the Western Union himself. Shut the blood clot, fuck. And me you want to drop down, me not drop down, girl. Lie I tell. Do you not go with nothing for blood clot me more than himself? You are.
All I receive them as proof, as witness. When I'm done talk, look here, do it, go look a life. Go get a life of your own. Because me no want you. You know nothing. You're rubbish. Me no want you. And because me done with you and because you start me, I'm not interested. And that's why. Bad me bad. And that's why. Because
I mean, shots for line about bad to watch, you know what? But do we not want to either, girl? Girl, if do the want to do it, she sound hurty. Do it don't want to either, girl. Me not ask you. Me know him no want me, but you see you, my husband no want you. And them where you talk with all like the penny there in the background and the baby in the background and you sound like a short of breath and so. You sound hurt. Do look like him promise you something on the gate. Them suck pussy argument, them not believe. If it's a girl, we do it love and you breathe for do it, maybe we suck your blood clot pussy. No know how name do it?
Video, so you go on live attack because I'm a video. I'm in a way because you not start me. You start me day and night, morning, noon and night, on my phone and start me, you try to drive me down. Warm to you. Talk the truth and talk where you go on because you're nasty. Talk the truth.
It can be nasty for suck pussy, a good thing. I'm telling us the woman
that name pork. You're nasty. You love name the meat. You love it. You be tired.
No, tell me no. When you think some love propaganda and get up and make people frighten me, so? This girl just wanna tear down Dwey. I think Dwey promised her something. I think Dwey went and fuck her. I'm telling her over and over again. I said Dwey and Unga gonna one blood clot for. Yeah? I think they will fuck you. And you feel so hurt. Him trick you and tell him I go send MoneyGram. I go trick him MoneyGram something and see if my husband name the on it. Girl, if they will send £50, come get you now get 100. If you go get 100 and I get 200, I mean, no doing that blood clot have it forgive you like that. Say you lying, little girl. Stop tell lie. Let me tell you the difference with my husband. My husband don't beg, and we not have him do it out. And if you call him and beg him money, me tell him the same, I got sort out that thing. You have him up a kind of gain of money. I lie, I tell Pandu, I don't believe that. The little baby you have in the room, you just go and tear me down for things look worse. The way, so if do love you so much, I make him virgin send you money. That means him rate you in it and love you. So why would you do that to him then? You understand? Me a nail with them nailing and them, him no want me and him want you. So why somebody where you will want you and love you and send your money, you'll be so ungrateful and print them out on the internet. And then I got cuss the people, them and say the people them have tried blame you and real. Why? Why would you do that? Mr. That pick up fame. All if him put him pussy in her mouth 10 times and I believe that. Like girl I tell. I'm gonna fuck her you, me dey tell you. More gonna come out. So if you have a hidden blood clot camera, me not stop pick up for do it. But because she no want do it. So why you no want do it, baby girl? Why you take him in the first place and him send your money? Me on that reason. Him send your money, him no want Queenie. Him do all the nice things to you. And then you no want him? That no make no sense. Which girl I have man I suck them pussy? And I send beer blood clot money. And you get up no want him? Church it on me, yes.
Give the crowd them other things fear having a them 9 hours. So talk, man. Talk, make your wife hear. Talk the truth. Talk out the secret because you know everything will go on with. You know, say any I'm sad like dog. You talk up now, do it.
Wow. So a man that spending so much money?
You can go on, no. Baby, because I'm not against you, because all the way a woman, you know. Go on because you're Yammed. Only that alone, me have to say, you're Yammed and you're real Yammed. Me a young girl,
who know?
Me a young girl, me not catch 40 yet. I'm not make a boy come here and head me out.
But see, me made you cause me know so a man have one wife for terrible like Queenie and me a Yammed. Me would take him so. I don't understand this. This doesn't add up.
Yes, my young days, I mean, my young time, I live my future. I go on, I go, you know. Are you old already, you know? Go and go resign here. Go and go resign. Me know, say all your people, they must be ashamed of you. So, yeah.
So, yeah, I mean, make sure we start down. She now waste her young age. Why she not get do it for herself? No, me have to send for my husband. Blood clot.
Man take it. Yeah, man take it.
If me that blood clot, man take it, you would get do it.
You a man take it.
If you have manners to me, I would know that girl there. I need to find her. Me need to find her. Little girl, me chase her down a Clarendon and I'm find it and put it to sense if a Clarendon you there. If you drive, you make me do a driving race. Don't do that, baby girl. Don't, what the rascal this a go on? What is the girl name? Me not even remember her blood clot name. I shall cost me. And you know, we start your young days. Baby, I'm here to tell her to do it. If do it, fuck your pussy and spend you so much money, darling, I repeat. And him no want Queen when them nail in her. I mean, nothing I hear something. Why would you put him on Instagram and so hurt? With a little baby in the background, you're so hurt. That you did it. The man use their fucking your dirty blood clot, you draw suck pussy allegation. Who you, man? The greatest blood clot we should do we have right now, if you have 100 blood clot, putting out for breed a white girl. You know white? Maybe if it's a white girl, would have same suck your pussy because you're going to give him one blood clot white baby. Who you? You buy do one visa and send him come a France, him just a suck out your blood clot pussy, sir. And just a this blood clot me, sir. And just a send you money so with friend and then you can come cuss me. It's hard to be friend, baby, because do your name not depend it. Talk to me now, darling. My spirit good and I can't treat me. Make me live in denial. You're right, sister. Do we send the money? Because do we name not the planet? Do we not send no blood clot by the Ghana Western Union? I fuck your talk, baby. Do you take him own time? Him have him cash up and whatever him have, baby. I promise you money and you not get it. Them lie them. And when do we meet if you get how much in millions? Lie. Blood clot, do it. Me not lie. You give me it though. I'm still not give up. I still have my smile. You're the girl. No, me not stop defend the way. I don't think some sit down love blood clot propaganda like you now and can't treat me. How the fuck do you, man? Well, if you not plan for this try me, I need to go up on the drawing board. Me in a shock? Me in a shock? What kind of blood clot shock me in a? Me in a no shock at one in a shock. Me in a shock, my love. That's not nothing for me shock about. I fuck with that. That's a looking piece of my fame. Nothing in that for me shock about, darling. Mr. Dwayne Scarlett, you need to call me ASAP. Cut out the fuck now. Me need to talk to you. Me need to interview the blood clot girl. How happened to you, girl? One tick. Girl, name have the whole of your credit. And I have more voice note? Me a little stupid voice note. And I girl, I my problem, me not do it. Me not busy with the girl. And my husband not busy with. In black, oh. So why him phone I got one tick? Who do I interview today? Devante, how comes I don't have no calling credit? No, it I got calling and it's not going to ring in. Divya hide from me. Two of them I hide, don't mind them. How long them can hide for? Them don't busy. Them just don't answer me. And when them do me that now, I'm going to go up on internet, go class, and know them say me should do it. Them have service. Check my inbox, how there in my inbox? Which inbox? Divy.
My queen, all gone.
What happened, darling? Where's my husband? Tell Dwey call me. Tell Dwey call me now, please. Yeah. Thank you. When my husband call me, If you do, go hide no Queenie. Girl, me sting a win. Me have my career out there, I can't hide. The girl them out there wait for me, but can't disappoint my people them work too far hard. I reach too far. Hallelujah, hallelujah, I'm so glad to tell. Hallelujah, hallelujah, with my soul is well. Hallelujah, 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 praise ye the Lord. Praise ye the Lord, hallelujah, praise ye. Hallelujah, praise ye the Lord. Hallelujah, praise ye the Lord. It soon be done. All these troubles and trials when I get home and the other side. Hello? Dwey? I want to talk to you. I want to speak to you, darling.
Yeah.
Mr. I want to talk to you. Go one side.